So thank you, Yash, for talking with Cargo Connect. So could you briefly tell us about MPRS group of companies and what you do?
See, at MPRS we are basically dealing into end-to-end supply chain logistics for all commodities, although our primary base cargo is into agricultural goods.
Okay.
So when I say agri, it is all rice, sugar, soya, maize, corn, cotton yarn, spices, gum guar, psyllium husk, millets, you name it, we are into it. And we have a presence pan-India. We are purely into freight forwarding, last mile deliveries, first mile custom clearance and deliveries, imports, exports, both. So it's been almost, this year marks as our 20th year.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Of us being present. First thing is, of course, we are very, very aggressive into Africa and US trade.
Okay.
So when it comes to our long-term contracts with our vendors and with the huge volume commitments that we guarantee all the carriers. Second thing is we are pilot running our mobile application, wherein at a click of a button you shall get port pairs, all rates across the US from India and all the connecting ICDs.
All right. What customer demand or industry trend are you seeing most strongly right now?
Demand is for visibility, transparency, overall any trade as such. See, if you want me to tell you what trade corridors currently are functioning very well, I would say India is, not even India, the buyers are actually today adapting to China plus one theory. Okay, so nobody wants to just be dependent over China. China is one of the biggest, largest manufacturing hubs of the world, and to reach up to that level is next to impossible for any country as such. But India has been gaining momentum and traction very well. And as far as cost viability is concerned for the products, yes, the buyers are considering India. So, as such, no trade is just that huge going fast as such. But overall, yes, what the customers want, apart from the best of the rates and services, is that we are honest with them. We are very straightforward, transparent, and we give them advice way before they ask us.
Okay.
So that knowledge sharing is also an important aspect of today's law.
Indeed. Yeah. So, how is MPRS helping businesses improve efficiency?
Efficiency improvement is basically, see, it starts from within.
Right.
We do not improve other businesses' efficiency, but we are certainly the catalyst so that they can improve their efficiency. We give them all their required knowledge. We guide them towards the right way, right approach to get things done. And of course, when it comes to advices, we never misguide people. So these certain aspects, what majority of, or maybe a lot of people, they tend to miss out on. That's where we fill in.
Okay. So, last question for you. What are your key focus areas for the upcoming year?
Key focus areas are getting very, very aggressive into technology. We have already adapted technology years back. We are in the process of upgrading it on a daily basis. That's a key focus area for this year. Second thing, we want to develop more and more into the US market. US market seems very bullish for the rest of the year. And we are definitely planning to open up something big very soon. So we'll keep you posted on that.
All right. All the very best for
Thank
that.
you. Thank you so much.
Thank you for speaking with us.
Thanks.